So welcome back everyone. Today we are off to a new destination. We are going to Oxford Golf Course. So it's possibly, that's what they say, that they are the only 18-hole golf course in Pune, spread over 136 acres, and we are off there. No, we don't play golf. We are not going to play golf out there. But the interesting thing is, we are going to stay there. And I think that is going to be a very unique experience. So we're going to stay there. We are on the route. We are currently on the expressway, the Pune expressway. We have not touched Lonavala, so we can still see some waterfalls, the remnants of the rains. We can still see them falling down, though the sun is in its full might. We are on the way. We will catch up. So as long as we catch up again, so bear with us and we'll keep talking. So we just crossed over from Lonavala. There was traffic prior to entering Lonavala, but it was very nicely controlled by the cops out there. So very nicely managed, anticipated maybe because of the holiday, and very nicely managed. Anyway, so we are beyond Lonavala now. So this place, as I was saying earlier, this place is around about 170-180 kilometers out from Mumbai, and little beyond, or I think it should be in the precincts of Pune, that's how you call it. So you drive down through the highway, we cross over, we cross Hinjewadi, and we keep driving straight, and then we are supposed to be landing out there. So we'll catch you again out as we keep traveling. Currently, we have crossed over Lonavala, and now it's a drive straight towards Pune. So we are about to enter Hinjewadi, and there are nice flowers actually, wayside flowers, and it gives a very nice impression. I'm just trying to capture it. Stretch is very good, so you can see the entire flowers which are going along the road. They give a very unique feel. It looks like a carpet with these colors on. Just trying to capture as much as is possible. Lovely. You won't see it in the rains possibly, because many a times I have traveled this route on heavy rains, but then I've never seen them. So it's just after the rains going and you see them. So that should be September end, October or mid-October-ish time. And maybe after some time they will just wither away. So en route, we stopped over at Courtyard Marriott, Hinjewadi, to have our lunch, quick lunch. But we have ordered pizzas, kebabs and biryani. So we'll enjoy this and then take our journey ahead. But yes, this is Courtyard Marriott at Hinjewadi, and we are here for our lunch. So we just had our lunch and now we are out of Courtyard Marriott. We are out on our road to our destination, final destination. So finally, I think we are on the last leg of the journey. So if you are coming from the Mumbai side and driving on the highway, on the expressway, and then towards Bangalore, and from there you take a U-turn from one point. So you cross the Maruti Chowk and ahead you take a U-turn, and then you are onto this road. So I'm just capturing this road because this road appears to be little twisty and turny and has a good view of the hills around. It's all green just after the rains, obviously, so it's all green. And that's the road which takes you there. So there are indications on the highway mentioning the direction for this resort. And we are onto this road. So I'll try to capture as much as is possible because the drive appears to be interesting. There are twists, there are turns on the road, but luckily the condition of the road is good, and also there is no traffic as such on the road. I don't think there is much habitation as such. Turns are little tricky, but luckily again the roads is not so bad and there is no traffic on the other side. So basically you go up the hill there, then you come down, and then you can see the resort from through the hills. You can see it appears. And those flowers again which we had captured in the morning. So with the cars around, it appears it's totally packed. That's what we were anticipating. So I'm not sure where we need to park our car. Okay, we have some places to park, but anyway, we'll have to check in and come back here possibly. So that's the drive towards the reception. The security asked us where you intend to go, and we told them we have a booking, and that's the inn. So we entered through the inn here, and these are the residences. And this is the place. So this is the view from the front side, and that's the lobby. That's the place through which you enter, and this is a place where you park, and we go down here. So basically here you can do lots of activities. Even if you don't know golf, you can actually be an amateur. You can play possibly for some amount of money. So we are just going down there, so I'll confirm you how much it is. And apart from that, of course, a host of facilities you have where you can play badminton, table tennis and whatnot. Relax, enjoy, seethe in this atmosphere. That's what this place is all about. So out here they have many facilities. So one of them is you can play golf, practice it. So this is the room, and this is the lobby actually, how it goes. And we have the cornermost room from this side. Yeah, that's it. Room concept is excellent. So as you enter, on the left hand side you have one toilet. Super. And then as you enter, you have your own sit out area. Possibly this draws out as a bed in the night. This is a small couch that you have. The room is nicely chilled, and you have a cooking area also. You have a balcony here. Again, the view I'm sure is going to be excellent because we have taken the golf view, and yeah, you can see the view here. It is too good. It is too good. And then bedroom. And bedroom also comes with an attached toilet. It has place to keep the luggage. Comes with an attached toilet, which is pretty big. This is the bathing area. These are the toiletries. And this is the commode area. All sanitized, all properly decked up. And this is the balcony from this side. We will obviously shoot a lot once we are here out, but just to give you what they have, which controls everything. So this has the lighting, this has the temperature, so plus minus. Then this can draw in and draw out the curtains that you have out there. This allows you for room cleaning and all, and this is to close everything out. So that's a panel that they have. So that's the parking lot area. Vehicles are parked out there, and this is the place where you go towards to play the golf. And I am sure I have got the best room because I have both the hillside view as well as the entire view of the golf course. So I can view it from here, the hills on that side. It's lovely. It's really lovely. So this is the practice range. So you can see 75 yards, 100 yards, 150 yards, 200 and 250. So I did good. I crossed around about 100. So being the first time, I know I had practiced once in US and all, but yes, I did good. So they charge you 275, I suppose. They have charged me for um, some 50 balls, and then you cannot share the club, but you can share the balls. So if you do your arithmetic right, you can, all members of the family can enjoy this game. So down the aisle you have the gym, which is open until 8. The pool is also open, and squash is there, badminton is there. So all these facilities are there until 8. So basically, you can come here, play your sports, relax, enjoy, go back refreshed, rejuvenated. That's how I will, come to this place. So the person out there at the golf course was really nice. Not only did they allow us to play multiple times, multiple buckets, but they also did explain us how actually a professional golf is played. It was really nice of him. And this is the amphitheater area. And lots of greenery here. This is the amphitheater area, and those are the residences. So this place is a beauty. This is the track which leads you to the course. Of course, they don't allow you, and that's the infinity pool. And this is the path which leads you to the pool. It's a beauty. Calm, serene. Now that evening is setting in, the weather is getting cooler. So sunset view from my room. It is beyond 6, so it's about to set over the hills. It's a valley basically, so lovely valley. And the place is really good. They have a kids play area out there. And then the walkway. And then you have a portion of the garden out there. The hills beyond. And the sun, which is setting. So the curtain pushes out as you press the control, and with that same control you can push it in. That's the beauty here. So this is the night view of the golf course. Of course, you can't see anything in the night, but that's the valley, and you can see the lights. You can see the lights. I suppose that's Symbiosis on that side. So I'm trying to capture those flowers out there from my balcony, and I think I am able to capture some view. So you can just see that feel that it is giving, and it's there as you go up along the hill. So it's there, the entire portion. And again, the golf course with the morning view. So this is day 2 here, and we are able to see through the morning sun rising and the shadows lengthening. Possibly the shadows will come out here more. This is the place where we were playing yesterday. So we have 75, 100, 150, 200, 250. These are all in yards. And again, those are the flowers from that side to give you that feel. I can really imagine how nice the valley of flowers will be. Those are the hills beyond there. Lovely view. So we are again returning back now, back to our place after an excellent stay out there. Couple of things to advise anyone visiting the place. The people are too good, very courteous, and you should come with all your energies highs so that you can enjoy all kinds of sports out there. There are lots of things to do. Property is huge enough to explore, and it's a different world as such. Very calm, peaceful, quiet, cool. The food is excellent. So I think, it is a very good place to take a break, enjoy yourself. That's what we did. Now we are back again. Possibly we are going to plan our next trip. In the meantime, please do check in my video, put in your likes, and do please subscribe so that you keep getting all the time my videos. So until we meet again next time, adieu, and check out next time. Bye.